Hypothetically, if the case in the UK was tried before a jury and you were the plaintiff bringing a lawsuit against big media, the tabloid The Sun, would you want that judge to sit as a juror and decide the outcome of the case, knowing that that judge has represented and defended big media and has written about the rights of big media, or would you want that judge stricken as a juror?
There's actually a huge difference between the US legal system and the UK legal system, which affected Johnny Depp's chance of winning the case in the UK. Basically, Johnny didn't lose because he failed to prove he was innocent. There's actually a big chance that Depp lost because a judge in the UK case wasn't a big fan of his and decided to rule against him. Yup, you heard it right, and despite how corrupt this might sound, it happens, and let me tell you how. So, why did Johnny lose in the UK, and how biased was the judge in that case? Let's find out. Amber's side had been using the UK ruling to try and overturn the favorable verdict Johnny got in the defamation case tried in Virginia. However, a viral video successfully explained why Amber's team cannot invoke the ruling in the UK because the two systems of law in the respective countries are so different. In fact, this is the main reason why Johnny lost against the newspaper he sued in the UK, explaining the whole situation. The creator revealed how, in the US, both parties have the chance to know their jurors, their background, and their personality. They can even exclude someone they deem biased in order to avoid any unfair judgment.
Verdict. Remember that in the United States, both sides have the opportunity to question jurors during the voir dire process to look at their background, experience, attitudes, and opinions that may affect the way they decide the case. The attorneys for both sides also have the opportunity to strike jurors they believe may not be best suited for the case or may not be a fair and impartial juror.
In the UK, parties cannot do this. So, even though a judge has strong beliefs that will affect the outcome of the case, the parties in the UK court have no power over them. For example, there is actually a judge in the UK who is a big advocate of the media and plays a big role when it comes to the rights of journalists and the like. The judge in question is Mr. Nicol, who is a big name when it comes to the media and their rights, so you can already understand why he would rule in favor of The Sun, which is a newspaper and part of the print media. Of course, fans were disappointed after hearing this. This fan wrote, "This is a good instructive video for those to understand exactly who the UK High Court judge was that ruled in The Sun's favor and believed Amber Heard's claims." Another said she wasn't aware this actually happened and said, "What the F? I didn't know this. Jesus Christ, that UK trial was all kinds of F up." Thankfully, someone took the time and explained this in detail. Now, people know how unfair the UK trial was for Johnny and how the ruling in that case can't be used against him. How about you? Do you think the UK judges were partial? And do you think Johnny would have won the case? Let us know in the comments below.